Join us again tomorrow at 9 for a feast of viewing enjoyment. In the continuing saga of Dream West, a despondent Jessie tries to contact her husband regarding certain accusations. In What a Country, Nikolai teaches Robert how to be a cool black American until both land up in trouble.
Spioneer Olf Krepeer se Anjes word opdrag gegee om 'n president se seun dop te hou. Die lys van kunstenaars wat in Rewind optree, sluit in The Bee Gees, The Who, Chris Rea en Whitney Houston. En nou van ons almal hier by 4 wens ons u 'n aangename nagrus toe.
And my charming co-hostess and I bid you adieu.